This issue quickly teaches everyone Huiyu. MSB60 Industrial Syringe Pump Standard Operation. From installation, parameter setting, operation to completion. The whole process is dry goods, and you can get started directly after reading it. 1/4-28 male thread connector. Plunger holder clip. 1 send command a 1000 command to lower piston pusher. 2 pull the syringe piston into the fixing hole of the piston pusher. Tighten the syringe on the valve. PC 1/4-28 male thread fitting. Peak 1/4-28 male thread tube fitting. Ferrule. Rigid TFE tubing, inner diameter 0.3 mm. Thread the unthreaded end of the fitting into the TFE tube. Then align the small end of the lock neck cone with the pipe opening and press it in. 2 sealing washers. Place the 2 gaskets into the solenoid valve line interface. This is the state with 1 gasket installed. After both gaskets are placed, put 2 TFE pipes with threaded buckles. Rotary access solenoid valve line interface. Then Huiyu MSB60 Industrial Syringe is installed. After entering the command, you can see the MSB60 Industrial Syringe Pump workflow.